What's up, everybody? Welcome. Somebody's in a bonus and it's really loud. Hopefully you can't hear that, but welcome to January 2026. And welcome to another episode of Sarah Playing High Stakes. You gotta start the new year off playing my favorite slot in the casino. Still is. So is Ultimate Firelink. I would say it's over there somewhere right behind me. But welcome to my channel if you've never been here. I'm glad you're here. If you're a returning watcher, welcome back. We are going to do something a little bit different in 2026. I am going to be on a budget, a $12,000 budget for the year, which is about $1,000 a month, which is still a lot of money if you think about it. I'm hoping it gets me at least 10 to 12 videos a month for you, and continue to upload 3 videos a week. I'll go into a little more detail once I start playing, but welcome to 2026. I hope you have an amazing new year, and we're going to start off this new year on high stakes, hopefully winning a hand pay. Let's see what we can do today. Welcome, welcome. In true fashion, I bring you high stakes. Lightning Link. I feel crooked. I do have a little bit new equipment. I actually am wearing a microphone now. So make sure you let me know in the comments how it sounds, what you think of it, all that jazz. I think I'm going to use free play. Got a little bit of free play, $75. I'm limiting myself to $100 a session. That's all I'm giving myself. It's $100 to make a video, which sounds like a lot, but if you're not getting a bonus, it's not a lot. So I'm going to add $25 of my own money and then $75 in free play to make this an even $100 for this session. Does that make sense? Is it making any sense? Make sure you check out my latest video, kind of going into more detail about my channel and the transparency I'm going to be showing you throughout the year. Okay, let's get playing. Not 50 cents. That's not what I wanted. I do need to have my money last quite a while, so maybe it's not a bad idea to play 50 cents. I have become a 1 cent believer. I have done really, really well on the 1 cent. I have not filmed a long form video in a while, and I'm feeling a little discombobulated. I took pretty much the month of December off filming. I just kind of, if I went to the casino, I just played, not filmed. It's just been a little bit different for me. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things for 2026. I hope you all had a great New Year, a Merry Christmas. I missed you all. Yeah. So we're going to try to make our $100 last as long as we possibly can. I will not be putting more money in. Once the $100 is spent, I stop recording and I say goodbye. I'm not doing this because I have any sort of problem or financial issues. I don't want people guessing. Rumor mill. It's just being a little more strategic and being on a budget. Okay, we only needed one more there. What's happening? So we need 6 chips, 3 briefcases if you guys are not aware of how this works. Let me know in the comments below what you did for the new year. We came to the casino. They had a nice dinner and show, so we did that. Early dinner, like a 5 o'clock dinner. Sorry, guys. Does that look a little better? Let me know also, do you have any goals, achievements, what do they call them? New Year's resolutions. Mine is to get a bonus here. Any New Year's resolutions? Or do you not believe in New Year's resolutions? We got tips. 2. No. Nice numbers in there. Now this is a 1x multiplier, or 2x multiplier, sorry. Had some pretty good luck. I was playing around a little bit ago, and not today, but playing on here, and I smacked a major, just a random $500 major. It was crazy, a little baby major. If you haven't seen that, I did post a picture in my community post. Go check that out. I'm only doing $1 bet. Go, come on. I really don't know how this is gonna go. You know what I mean? $100 a video, no more than that. Ooh, those are nice numbers. Once the money's gone, the money's gone. This would be like a 5-minute video. I got tipped again. Did you see that? Come on, high stakes, you're my favorite. You know that. Shortchanged again. Come out. That is the loudest. I don't know if you can hear it, but that is the loudest bonus. Come on. Oh. Next door to me. It's some power link game. It is a Sunday day of recording this video. Why do I look crooked? I don't like that. Does it look crooked? I hate that it looks crooked. I think it's just the way the... Okay, I don't want to change my event, but maybe I will. I've been liking the 1 cent multiplier. Maybe it's just not my day-to-day. So we'll go to the 2 cent dollar, which is just a 1x multiplier, but we do get a $100 minor and a $20 mini if it wants to smack down. That would be okay too. Everybody getting ready for the playoffs, Super Bowl. Anybody watch Super Bowl? Oh, I think I saw the minor go by. Come on. I think my goal is to show everybody on YouTube that you can go to the casino with a $100 budget and be okay with that. For some people, that's all they get like in a month. Right now, it's going to be the shortest video known to man if I can't get a bonus. Thank you. If only we could have gotten like a briefcase here and get the double bonus. All right, finally. It's all 2 cent now. Got $100 in there. $75 free play. $25 of my own stake. So technically, we could cash out probably. Oh, did you see that minor? Okay, $10. And walk away with cash. Money. Don't be done. Well, okay. It's a good start, right? After like, it took me down to $37 before it made me some. Okay, 26. 26x bonus. All right, 63.55. Let's keep going. Is this the bet? 2 cent dollar? Excuse me. Hopefully everybody's been staying healthy. I know like the flu and cold and all of that is running rampant. My kids have been sick. I've, knock on wood, been lucky to not get sick yet. As I cough. Maybe I have been. I just can't. I don't have time to be sick. Come on. Oh, those are beautiful. On a dollar bet, you guys. Okay, cars. We'll take that. All right, come on. Let's not wait too long. Let's get a minor today. Oh, $100 minor. I'd probably say, okay, cash it out. Double up my money. Let's go. Let's get a briefcase bonus. Sometimes I do like the briefcase bonus because ooh, a 4 trigger. You have a chance to get a bonus and a bonus. Please don't be a 4 trigger first. Okay, that pays $15. The trigger. Ooh. Oh, $50 chip in there. Smack a minor in the middle. I'll hit it. I got a YouTube channel. Yeah. Ooh, I got a bonus and a bonus. Yeah, you got to get permission and all of that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you too. Thank you. You too. All right. Bonus and a bonus. That's a $5 chip, and it's the multiplier or 2-cent denomination. Okay. Keep going. Drop a blue chip. Come on. This works too. Tapping the screen. I'll take a mini for 20. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Tap the screen. No, it didn't work. Oh, sorry. $12. Wow, they're very excited about that $12. All right, we're in the bonus still. We can get another one. Retry chip. Got it. Another $5 chip. $2.50 chip for $5. That lady walked by. She smelled really good. Let's get a big one. Not the minor. Hello. That was unacceptable. $5. Whoop whoop. Okay, we got one more spin, I think. Yep, let's get it again. I don't care. Oh. All right, 1770 times 2. I don't do math. Get it again. Nice bet. Oh. It was like $25. That's okay. We're at $86. We put 100 in, so we're chilling. Now do we go to 5 cent, or have we found our bet? I mean, I've already gotten. Ooh, we got tip. A few bonuses on this denom and bet. Come on. We can get it back up to $100. I might take my money and run. Get some profit off my free play. All right, let's try 5 cent, 125. This used to be my favorite bet. Ooh, now the minor's 250. Let's go. Mini 50. Come on now. Got some big numbers. Oh. Oh, that's a kiss of death. Somebody says you can't get a bonus on a kiss of death. Okay, it gave us 2 extra chips, so I'm a little nervous if it's going to give us any additional. That's my bet bag. That's my bet bag. Drop a blue chip. Don't be done, don't be done. Thank you for my bet back. I'll take it. Because if you fill it in, it's $12,049. Oh, that'd be a great way to start 2026, wouldn't it? Sure would. Okay, well. Alright. 5 cents. Maybe we'll go back to the penny and see if it wants to give us a bonus. There. $20. 20 buckaroos. Back to back. That's seriously like the best thing, a back to back. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Remember, if we get it up to 100, we're going to cash it out. Oh, well, there's our 100. Remember, I'm on a $12,000 budget, so I got to take my money, make money, and run. Ooh, just had a sip of coffee. Ooh, that miner. Come on, miner. Miner me. And then we really be out of here. Okay. I just dropped 12,000. Let's go. I have won $1,000 on this exact bet in Las Vegas. Not on this game. Shush your mouth. Shush your mouth. Oh boy. Not in there. She's dry as a whistle. We'll take it. Alright, I'm just going to do a couple backup spins and take our free play money into cash and get out of here. Also, $50 mini. Yes, please. Thank you very much. $100 on the nose, you guys. Shush your mouth. Alright, we'll do a couple backup spins. And we're going to take our money and leave. 180.05. We're going to, literally, I'm going to just cash it out so you can see that I am cashing out. Did it do all of it, I hope? I think it did. I put $25 cash, $75 in free play, turning it into $180 cash. So, first video of the new year. Let me know what you thought of that. Make sure you like and subscribe. I love you. We'll see you on the next one.